Here we have the prototype installed on a 2000 Jeep Wrangler. I put a witness mark on the back of the shaft so you can see this actually move forward. I'm going to lower the axle and allow the suspension to come down. When I do this, you'll see that on the invention that the rod is able to slide back and forth. It's attached to the frame in the front right there at one attach point. When the axle goes down, that pivots there and the rod slides, allowing it to have free range of motion, but also keeping side-to-side stability. Here I go. I'm going to lower the axle. You can see on the witness mark, the tape I used for a witness mark, how it is slid forward, allowing it to have free movement up and down.